Remakeup ta Chuik Madaya Bauping. 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly Session Gazib Gagatuma Bamhaira State Budget House Leach Tehaira Ajuwi Nagaland Election Tili ENBO Aina India Shorkar Agreement Iknguira Haura Jihaira Lekayang ator aju the Tangkhul Expressway bau Iknguira Shimray ina bamidale bau ping mesa ina nganang rumsa 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly 3rd Session week zip gagatuma ayapam haira Session Chile 2023 to 24 week budget estimate chithe haira House Lee CM and Piran Singh na gahang at India we G20 presidency dukui Vasudhaiva Kuchumpakam Kucha Ogatui aka Shimkur aka Adazan aka Kajili Shurda ngalay hina sada kalay o sagoru kajongka wivang pakame Adam Iknguira kawai kasana. House Lee aya jitega high budget estimate athi shurda 2023 to 24 wivang dodal luba 35,022 crores aina semhaidale. Jili 3,292 crore na gadam kashu education we 377 crore na forest and environment we 1,919 crore na health sector wivang 95.7 crore na sports sector bathamai khamai 100 crore na entrepreneurship aina startups wivang 25.50 crore na tourism aina culture we 466 crore na connectivity 586 crore na agriculture aina livat we sectors pingwivang khaisho khaira revenue receipts 27547 crore shuka aina jaktale kala capital receipts na 6584 crores aina haidale state we tax receipts 3200 crores kala non tax receipts na 400 crore aina kodale 2023 to 24 Lee state with total revenue expenditure 20292 crores shuka gala capital outlay 10013 crores aina haidale and piran na kahang budget deficit 891 crores shuka aina thekhui dale fiscal deficit 2760 crores ta GSTP we 6.1% na kala total outstanding debt GSTP we 39.93% aina khot haidale 2023 to 24 we cross state domestic products GSTP hi luba 45145 crores aina shankhui dale da hanga Nagaland Assembly elections kupahai Delhi Central Shorkar aina Eastern Nagaland People's Organization ENPO agreement shoisa haura dale ENPO na thamda Frontier Nagaland State Border Kalay Maramchi Jamna Kui Kawai Mia Kangarok election process with Tili Iknguira haura da Union Home Minister BJP Akoka Amit Shah na hanga Maramchi Nagaland Assembly elections wivang aya Shana Dwan Sangli campaign gazetli kahangna MHA na ENBO li Karajan kasa sampangda jiwi na kapha shokhaira gaji Amit Shah na hangda ENBO aina Sander Shorkarwi agreement Karajina abam jili rega sang hagasang Iknguira kawai ngasara da Shah na hanga kasa kawat leda kalewi solution madalui manada Shana Eastern Nagaland Nobingli Hangjipuna Itum na by Frontier Nagaland Muslim kami wivang protest sarashum da ENBO na Nagaland Assembly elections boycott sara da lesai Kashurkar na Eastern Nagaland we Autonomous Council samikwai offer gasai na ngasoda MHA li Karajan sakui gahai thili boycott gasanchi khuisho gahai na Nagaland Assembly bowls ajiwi darik magada shini thang sagida kalena ENBO we maramli kahang aina ngasoda naga political issue we solution thagda Iknguira kawai sadale gachila Amit Shah na hanga election hiwi aina NDPP BJP coalition shorkar na bangshap khuluida naga problem psycho solve sahora da Union Home Minister na hanga None health centers lead doctors kanga chapwivang maring kapha phongshok da NH37 pant nga hothaira nona jurisdiction li gazang NH37 li aching athor pung thurukai na habokda direct magada mati ngazin pung thurukai na dangda dodal pansara chaira Brothers Gasachi Villages Council Longmai area VCLA na thanda sadale none primary health center aina district we health center spingli doctors kala staff mabung phada haimi khawai bolala state shorgana mayang sang khami wang dodal pansaki kachina Pansalala Yaruivang Paning Mida, worship Katam now being la examination, Kathana being li, Makamara the Hanga, Bandlungli emergency cases, Thermarine Kazip, water supply, electricity department, press media, Higatawi mi, Zatngasakra, Dodalpan Gasachi Lila, Shorkarna Mathemiaka, agitation Pangmai Sahurada, VCLA na Hanga. Humpungli boast harvest management maramli training program room mihaira. Training G ring room FBC Wivang Ayar room kamina DSSS na ngaran ngaye Samida Training G Department of Agriculture na MOVCD NER Phase 3 we azingli gadom kamina Training Jili Resource Person Sada Ukrul GVK had Dr. Solid Luramna Haithai Hadkui Gahai Tili High Kawai Storage Processing Packaging Kala Managing Maram La Agai Best Management Maramli Tamchitaya. Arima Gazang Kangajawi Har Sam Gakui Maramli La Paichitaya. Ring Room FBC CEO na Farming Kala Marketing Wikapa Maramli Hangsanga. Session Jili Resource Person na Farmers Bingli Gazum Gasang Dui La Training Gazang Bing na Ningashi Dui Pongshok Maroka. Karnataka li rungmida khalai All India Inter University Best Physics Championship 2023 li Ukrul Royal Gymnasium we mina manga khawasam banghaira Ukrul Royal Gymnasium li train Sagaga Moreno Sarat Lunminthang Dothang na ngahan jili wazangda top 7 li kapangkhui haira Sarat Lunminthang Dothang hi Manipur University we minganin sada wakazang sana ngahan jiwi final round ji achu sara dalai Sarat Lunminthang na 85 kg we open category nga hanli zangda khalena. Mi yung kathat maram riga kharo nonganba murder case li or sada khalai state police team li chief minister and parents na shitkasang pongsho khaira. Kangbokpi district Changaupung village li zakshila kaina yung thathai kasa akoy jam nonganpa singwi kathingun ajahon direct tharada khani thang samgapangna Maramchi Congress MLA K. Ranjit Singh na State Assembly Session Likwigada Chief Minister and Biren Singh Nangahang Ningachiang Aina Otsada Kalai State Police Liga Gatoming Iya. CM Nagahang Investigation G Jurisdiction Liga Hable Aka NIA Katha National Agency Li Misang Kawai State Shorkar Namayaya. Congress MLA K. Ranjit na attention motion li kahang case jiwi aina dugakui ning kamong li zangda kalay suspect akachi Moses Khan may hoda mibaji NSCNIM Deputy Kilonser na da shadalay jiya. Kala case jiwi aina pada kalay Stephen Gaho akala NSCNIM wi Kilonser na da kasha MLA Ranjit na hangsanga. AK nongan pahi legislator mawansa gahaya AK laingamwi naumiyara nada yung gatachili NSCNIM bang mazang sani kala gaji MLA Ranjit na kangahansai. Ocho chiwibang police team Kangbukpi police station DSP na thanda suo motor case kui gahay nada and biran na hanga. Mawan masarang laka nongan paling asosat ka sa shinaw gala garila kuida kangahansa gahay na chiya. Case Jiwi Special Investigation Team Jina suspect NSCNIM Deputy Kilonser Li Direct Harada Gatuntang Dukakwina Kala Ocho Jili NSCNIM Zangama Zangkala Pasho Kawai Sadaleda CM Nahanga Concept Craft na Makok Mikida Kalay Spring 5-a-side football championship we event partners being Aya Hotel Empress League Gazipta Karajan Gasasam Panghaira Gazip Chili Empress Hotel we proprietor Shangam Johongnao Shimray The Place Music and Grill we go proprietor Temila Shimra Youth Light Music School we me DR Food Catering we proprietor Temrayo CD Royal Chim we L Robert Atumbazanga L Robert Nagahang Indian State Ngichaili Manipur na Sports Powerhouse Mingpo Sambanghaira Kala Madaila Kaina Ukrul Aina Sanabadi District we Aina Sports Person Chongdale concept craft na sada khale winning rin thei khuilaga mayangai la khawda ashi event partner ga sanada Robert na hangsanga El Robert na avu awa bingli ka hang sports li ramli profession gabangkhui baya gala Tangkhul now bing Nisha really dagazang la dazang gabai khaleji thaida khni thot bing Nisha li madazang la sports bak mai ngrenga sakhwai concert craft na sada khaleji phalaga gaji Robert na hanga Tangkhul now Katham Leilala international event li mawa kharar hi kiwa thau khala gaji ngase khui ngasak nga ya gaji hangda Tangkhul now na sports event li phaikar sangkharyo da tribal ga daily wa ishi Tangkhul now bina hen mesira da Robert na hanga ngaryo nga han lui ramli ari bifu de le gaji hangda tumatu kharyo da ishi Tangkhul now na manga thanra da Robert mete na hanga Concept craft na mako kami country the 5-a-side football championship ji rakara march mayo darik akathang jaru derf ground humpungling reo kita khlena 2018 kumai na hawphok laka Manipuri shokar na thingrong lak shakathum langda ling sanghaira jidale Manipur Legislative Assembly session aya khanghan gasa assembly Forest Environment and Climate Change Minister Thongam Bisochit Singh Nagahang 2018 to 2019 we aina hawphok laga 2021 to 22 aina dangda we alungli thingrong anau laksha kathum mag thinghang jishada tharuk lingsanga kala chiwi akhum hang tharuk da hangshini Porshoga da hanga Biswachit Nagahang 2018 to 19 kum thingrong anau 51.59 lakhs seedlings lingsang kala 21.45 lakhs seedlings yarili yaushoga 2019 to 20 kumna 21.09 lakhs seedlings lingsang kala 42.21 lakhs seedlings yaushok 2020 to 21 kum 90.52 lakhs seedlings lingsang kala 9.70 lakhs seedlings yaushok kala 2021 to 22 kum 45.93 lakhs seedlings lingsang 38.37 lakhs seedlings yarili yaumia dahanga Thingrong anau khangaranli lupa 103.35 crores daga haina da DH Bisojit Singh na hanga Achakum marangching alay kaminli tisanga hai bing shili Samiran masa kamiwang shorkali protesta da yarina railway construction outcome kawai ngawaw haira Marangching aina bongrin long ramnaw bina ayawi aina ramchiwi pamli ragada railway construction out kakam hawphok haira Ngalay kamin wi maramli North East Frontier Railway NFR Manipur Shorkar kala marangching aina Bongrin long ramnaw bing zangda kamaya MOU lay hairig sana MOU chi ajakum marang July darik magathang sem gahaina ka authorities na 9-point MOU wi saran masa kami wiwang yarina hanglui jilala na deng mi hawgada ot kasa kham kaphok na jia shutdown ji ajahon January tharao darik khani thang aina hawphok laga none disi na rayang sangmida darik tharada akathang khuisho ka haina kha chiwi aina la khiwat khamashok to the January darik tharada shini thang hawphok luya da memorandum le kapisanga unchi muili thisanga hai kala sazu ka hai ping chili authorities concerned na compensate sami khawai la rehabilitate sami khawai boda khlina latluida chuwi khamdaya baubing 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly session gazeb gagachuma bamhaira State Budget House li chithe haira Ajuwi Nagaland election thili ENBO aina India Shorkar agreement Iknguira haura chihaira Ajuwi pau hiling janghaira pau ngana da khalena chum saigorali ringapha gala kamahaya simikshong asasirana